Hey, good morning guys and welcome to the next week trading. My name is Lester. Today in this video I gonna have this continued trading session for this month. I trying to record in all the process that I gonna have on this month to make money or generate profit with binary options using only the turbo strategy that I have, the 1 minute strategy. And with this strategy, at the moment that I request my withdrawal, I'm gonna show you live to all the process, how to register, how to request your withdrawal, and the way that we can earn money with binary options. So let's go to continue this live trading session and wish me good luck. Hey guys, my name is Lester and this is my YouTube channel for binary options, the next way trading. And the idea is here is show you or teaching you the strategy that I use for binary options. It's gonna only using 3 moving average, 1 period 200, 1 period 60, and 1 period 8. The period 200 is the color green and the period 60 is gonna be the color white and the period 8 is gonna be the color yellow. The idea of this strategy is only gonna trade to follow the trend. If for that we are gonna use in the 200 moving average, and the moment the 200 moving average is below the charts, we have an uptrend, and when the moment the moving average is above the chart, moving average 200 is a downtrend. We are gonna trade only in the moment crossing the yellow moving average and the white moving average. This is the white, this is the yellow. In this case, it's going up. I'm gonna trade for 1 minute for a call. The strategy is really good. So the way that I use it is in the moment the crossing, I can have 1, 2, or 3 trades around in the money using this turbo strategy for binary options. I'm gonna change the amount. I don't notice I have only for $300. So let's go to trade right now with $1,000. With this turbo strategy, let's go to explain why I taken this signal. I decided to trade here for a call in the moment of crossing these 2 moving average. I have this red candle, but I noticed have a resistance, so I decided to trade for a call, and it was a good decision. Let's go to out of there to searching or find another good trade for binary options. So guys, I'm gonna stop it right now. We have 3 bull news. The market are so volatile in this moment, so I prefer just stop it this trading session. I just have 1 trade in the money with $300, but this is a good amount for just trading for 30 minutes. So I prefer to stop it. You can see it here right now is 7 o'clock and 30 minutes for me. So we have 3 bull news. I'm gonna stop it. Maybe this doesn't look great for me because we have this type of jumps, and with this turbo strategy, for me these jumps doesn't work too much. It's better to stop it right now and waiting for a more stable market for binary options. Remember that with 3 bull news, with this turbo strategy, doesn't work. The idea of this video is show you how I trade. I always search or watch the news before to start my trading session, and the progress with my trading session always stay turned with the 3 bull news. This affect a lot for binary options. Remember, the binary options, just 1 candle can leave me out of the money. So I prefer to stop it and try it a few minutes later. I'm gonna try it again, maybe 1 hour and 2 hours after the news, and I'm gonna try to earn money or reaching a good amount with binary options. All the process on this month, I'm gonna recording these trades for you and show you how I trade with this turbo strategy for binary options, the 1 minute turbo strategy for binary options, and this is strategies for beginners. So I hope so this video can help you the way that I look and waiting for the news too, and the moment that I trading with this turbo strategy. See you in the next wave.